Last year, I got a new light rod from NEEWER, and since then, I've used it to create over 200 videos, and it has helped me light up my set, add some fun moving light to the products I've made commercials on, and I won't start a video if my light bar isn't charged. It really is that game-changing. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to light up the scene for your photos and videos too. For starters, it has a nice little travel bag to store your light bar when you're done. Inside that, you have your user manual, a remote, AAA batteries not included, a USB-C charging cable, a lanyard, and then your light bar. Unfold the barn doors so you can angle and shape the light. Then on the back, you can turn on the light, adjust the brightness, as well as color temperature. After you get that set the way that you want, you can move the barn doors to get the desired look for your set. Then you can either use it handheld or use the tripod mount on the bottom to allow it to freestand and light your scene. I normally use a series of lights in each video, but this one is my main light. It lights up my set clearly and really makes a difference. Just look at how dark my old videos were in comparison. Wild how much improvement one light bar can bring. Not only that, but since you're able to use this handheld, I can wave the bar across the product to get moving light and add some motion to static shots. This helps bring some depth to the shot and makes it more interesting to look at. And since it has barn doors, I plan to get some clamps and gels to put on the front and get some other color options. But this is the base model. They have an RGB option if you don't mind spending a bit more. For me, I need some bright light to film my videos. I often film these videos in the barn at night and need a bright main light. I won't be using the RGB as often, and I didn't mind saving some money on this light bar. Gels and clamps are cheap and will give you a similar effect. And since this is portable, I can load it up and take it with me for video shoots away from the studio. It can hold a charge for up to 4 hours, so you can light up anywhere. In the woods, in a creepy shack, in a dark tunnel, or on the set of a music video. With its long-lasting battery, bright light, and adjustable settings, you'll be ready for any video or photo shoot, no matter where you're at. So if you're looking to light up your set and improve the look of your photos or videos too, this light bar from NEEWER might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go charge up my light bar and get ready for my next commercial. See ya!